You're still here? I know you're still here. I know we're all still here, but I mean, you're still sitting here? Like, I thought you went off with the other guys. Yeah. All right. Yeah, I'm still here too. No. Well, yeah, I came back over because well, I left my stuff here. Mhm. No, I didn't know you were here. That's why I said that. That's why I said I was surprised to see you. Yeah. Uh-huh. No. No, I wasn't leaving. Yeah. Well, no, they went the other. Yeah. No, I'm sticking around. Yeah, of course. Yeah, I wouldn't leave. I mean, if I was gonna leave, I'd say goodbye. So, yeah. I mean, did you want to stay here or do you want to? I was gonna go for a walk. Yeah, I mean, I left my headphones here, so I that was one of the reasons that I came back. It's with the rest of my stuff, but like if you want to come with me, then I won't use them. Yeah. Yeah. Well, come with me. Yeah. Yeah, we'll go walking. Yeah, I mean, we used to walk all the time. Yeah, it'll be just like old times. Yeah. Yeah, let's go. Well, there's like a path down this way. Yeah. I don't know. I went like, I didn't go that far, but I did go a little ways yesterday, I think. Yeah, but it goes way farther. It goes like all the way down to the water, I think. Yeah. No, they went the other way. No, I was the only one that went down this one. They went down the one that goes up instead of down. So this one goes downhill, and they went. I don't know why they went that one. That one seems way harder. Yeah, I know we'll have to come up on the way back, but like, it's just the way that they went seems steeper in the first place. You know what I mean? Okay, you know what I mean. Oh, oh my god. And anyway, like we're walking. At least I think we're walking towards the water. It'll be prettier. I guess they'll have a better view. Yeah. Yeah, maybe they'll have a better view. Speaking of which, do you have your camera? Didn't you bring your like nice camera with you? We'll get it. Where is it? Don't leave it behind anyway. No, it's not going to get stolen, but like what if I don't know, a bear takes it? Does a bear want your camera? Yeah, it's going to sell it on eBay. No, I mean like bears come into camps all the time for food and then they just break things, right? They just destroy everything. Yeah, I mean, I think our food is put away, but like, didn't the guys do it? Do you trust them? Do you trust them to do everything the right way? I mean, my stuff's in my trunk. I mean, yeah, except for my stuff that's right over there, but that's like nothing. If a bear eats my American Eagle sweater, I'm like not gonna cry over it, honestly. I'll like make my mom buy me another. Or actually, I hope it happens because I'd lose that sweater just for the story. Do you know how amazing that would be? For us to come home from this trip and me to be able to tell people like, oh, yeah, I got back and a bear ate my sweater. That's what happened. That's my story from this trip. A bear ate my sweater. Oh, and we have a photograph of it because I made sure that someone was carrying their very expensive camera. Go get your camera. Go get it. Hurry. You're such a goof. Is that worth it? How much that thing cost anyway? Is it better than your phone? It better be better than your phone. As long as it's worth it. As long as it's worth it. All right. Yeah, it's just down this way. Yeah. No, it's not difficult. No, I told you the whole reason I walked down here is because it seems easier than the other ones. You think I want to work hard? I don't think so. No, look, it just goes down this way. Look, yeah, and it's all nice and sunny. Yeah, it's nice. I didn't think this would be weird, but I mean, it's not weird, but yeah, I mean, it's so familiar. God, we walked together all the time, didn't we? Ugh. Sorry. Yeah, I don't know. It's just like, it was our thing, wasn't it? Taking walks. Yeah. Yeah. No, of course they're good memories. No, what are you talking about? No, I'm not trying to make you feel bad. No, that's not why. Ugh. That's not why I said any of that. No, I'm just trying to tell you, like, this is nostalgic and it's nice. It's a nice nostalgic. Like, it feels familiar. And, you know, that was always a nice time, us walking. Right? Wasn't it? Okay. Yeah, it was nice for me too. Okay, that's all I'm trying to say. All right. Relax, crazy. Jeez. Yeah, I'm not trying to say like all of it was perfect or anything, but yeah, I mean, the point is like I look back on this stuff fondly. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Just, you know, I look back on us fondly. That's all. And like, I always felt like this was a really nice part of us. Is that all right? Okay. All right. Yeah. Just, it gave us a lot of time to talk and like nobody could bother us or get in the way of that or eavesdrop on us, right? Yeah, I don't know. No distractions either. Like we never had our phones. Like there were no phones. We didn't have to worry about any of that stuff. Everyone says that when they get older, don't they? They always say stuff like, everything was simpler back then. But I feel like I feel like it's so true for us, or like, I don't know. Am I crazy? It just really was simpler. Everything's so complicated now. I don't know, we could just talk forever, couldn't we? And we would walk forever. We would walk and talk forever. And then you'd try to drop me off at home and I wouldn't let you, and then I would keep walking with you. And do you even know how long we would circle around the blocks like that? Like until you just couldn't make any more excuses and we had to go home. Like it feels like it was a million years ago or last night. I don't know which. I don't know. I'm sorry, do I sound nuts? I don't mean to sound nuts. I haven't really thought about this in a while. Yeah. What do you mean? Like, do I miss what? Do I miss, like, like everything I just talked about a lot of stuff. So, I just like word vomited at you. So, what do you mean? Do do I miss walking with you? I mean, sure. I mean, I miss this in a way. But I miss it in a way that I like didn't even realize until now. Like I didn't reflect on the fact that we haven't done this in so long. Or even the fact that it was something that we did so often or so much. I didn't really think about it. So, I mean, I guess so. Is that what you mean? I don't know. Do I miss us? I mean, yeah, we don't talk as much. Like, we got to talk so often, especially when we did stuff like this. Or are you talking about us? Us? I didn't think I'd ever have to explain this to you. I thought, I don't know why it's so hard for me to, like, answer. Because, I don't know, I thought you knew? I thought I already told you. Or, I don't know, I thought it was just so clear. I mean, I always miss us, I guess. If that's what you're trying to ask. I mean, like I always wish we could be the way we were. If that's what you're trying to say. Or if that's what I'm trying to say. If that's... Like, if you're asking me if I miss the way we were, like, I guess the answer is I've missed the way we were since the minute we ended. And it's always been that way. And I guess I thought you knew that. Like, I've missed the way we were, like, while we were on these walks years ago. I missed all of it while it was still happening. While we were ending. Because I knew what was happening. And I thought I made that really clear to you. Did you think that I changed my mind? Or did you not remember? Or was I just not clear enough? Did I think that I was more clear than I was? I'm sorry if I just didn't say it more clearly. Or I didn't let you know. I guess I always tried to be really subtle about it because I thought it would upset you for some reason. I guess I always thought it would upset you. Because maybe I just thought I didn't think you felt the way I felt, and I didn't want you to think that you were upsetting me. Because then you would be upset. Are we just always worried about upsetting each other? We're kind of dumb, you know. I mean, like, no offense, but we're both kind of stupid. Oh my God. Can we be less stupid now? I'm just checking. I'm just double checking if we can maybe both be less stupid now. Ugh. Please. Please? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, no, I'm totally serious. I'm just trying to also lighten the mood a little. Just trying to ease the tension. No? Okay. Yeah. I told you this path was really long. I have no idea where it goes. I swear. No, I did not come. I did not bring you in the woods to murder you. No. No. This was not. Yeah. I know it seems really suspicious that I got you alone in the woods to talk about our messy history and no one can hear you scream, but like maybe please trust me, please. Okay, we can just turn back. We can just turn back and start drinking, maybe? I don't know. Maybe we should just start drinking. That seems like the next logical step in this. Okay. No, you're right. We shouldn't have started down this path so late in the day. Yeah. Yeah, because they're not, the real reason they went up that path is because they're not going very far. Because it's late and it's getting dark soon. It's getting dark now. Yeah, we should just go back. Yeah, we should try this one early tomorrow, like in the morning, and when everybody gets up, like right after coffee. So, let's just do that. Hmm? Well, yeah. Alone? Well, yeah, I'll go. Well, of course I'll go on another walk with you. I'll come back here tomorrow morning by ourselves. Well, of course I'll. Yes. Yeah, I'll talk more about us. Yeah, I'll walk more with you. Yeah. Tomorrow morning. Right here. And we'll go farther. Yeah, we'll go way farther. Maybe all the way. Alone. It's a date.